Okay, so this is my newest, probably pretty ridiculous experiment. Took apart an old microwave transformer and took out the high voltage coil and put in a new low voltage coil, so I can now get like 200 amps out of this thing. And I hooked it all up, and I can make this piece of steel right there glow red hot. So I'm going to turn it on and see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, we are glowing pretty nicely and pulling about 100 amps across this thing. You can see right there, a lot of current. So yeah, it's glowing. It's really hot. Now it's spitting off hot little pieces of scale. And this transformer is probably pretty warm. Yeah, pretty hot. So, yeah. Probably should be hooked up a little bit better right here. This will focus. It's kind of a little sketchy.